Right, you beautiful lot, and this is our little backdrop for today. This is where we're going to be finding some treats, hopefully. So I'll spin you around. There we go. So hopefully this little spot here, we're just going to continue up to the right hand side and see if we can get some treats today. So thank you everyone for following, and we'll see you soon at the clean-up, and hopefully we'll get some cracking treats. As per, we're using the G120 from Magnet Store. So let's get this baby in that water. First cast, see what we get. You just never know, do you? You never know what's going to come up. Let's tilt you up a little bit more. Need the full benefit of the first cast, if there is anything. If not, we'll just go up, continue to the right. Very, very silty here. I can feel it. Oops, that bit's come off there. Very sludgy here, so God knows what we're going to find. There's that bit. This bit. Yeah. That bit. And that's on our first sludgy throw, so let's get in there again.
Time down, pal.
Just started.
Rochdale for you, innit?
Yeah.
I've seen a lot of you do it on like these websites and that's mad, innit? Something to do, innit?
It is. And I've just done a 12.5 hour night shift, so.
Yeah, just purely.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, good luck, pal, good luck.
Cheers, see you later. Local Tommy. Right, we're on something here, cockers. We're on something here. Second throw. We've got a BT cash box and wow, is that a knife? Right, let me get this off. That might be a flick knife for you. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. If that's a flick knife, that's the first flick knife I've ever found. Oh my God. That is. Look at that. That is a second throw, ladies and gents. Let's see if it flicks up. Oh, I don't want to touch it until I get home. Look at that. Never mind the cash box. Wow. Yep, that's going in the bucket. Flick knife. I hope it still works. If not, we'll get that baby to work. Unbelievable. Make sure I don't fall in here. have a thingamabob. Can, something wedged. Let's get that out. Weird, that can go in the scrap. Sneaky 2p. Bit off a lighter. A bit of smeg. Unbelievable. Still can't get over that. Second throw. A branch. Oh no, it's a metal pole. Ugh. Right, what we got on here? I've got a lovely key. Let's have a look at that. We've got that metal pole. Got something that's in that rock. Smeg. Yep, I've just done a night shift, as I was saying to that gent. Yes, I thought I'd have a tickle out. I love this time of the year when all the leaves are falling. You can actually see the edge of the canals. Yeah, definitely my time of year this. It's very slippy down here. Right, what we got? Bike chain. Nut. Smeg. Hey, what's this? You alright? Yeah, good, thanks. I don't know what that is. Anybody can help? Strange. I think that might just be, that might be lodged into that. It's got some writing on there, so we'll have a look afterwards. Right, this big clump, don't know what it is. Right, what we got on this one? Bit of that. Right, what we got? Spoon. That. Well, that ain't coming off there, is it? Oh wow. That's got a number 2 on it. So that's part of a sign. Let's get back in there.
You never know what's going to come up.
Exactly.
Brilliant.
And there's that much.
Oh, you get...
Look at that. Nice little watch.
Oh, wow.
There you go, man.
Wow.
You've seen it for yourself now.
Oh, wow. You're brilliant. Excellent.
There you go. Nice little treasures knocking around.
Yeah, man. You never know what is it?
Can't make it out. But I'll clean that up.
Yeah. Oh,
there you go.
Coins and everything, yeah?
Just when we're talking about it, yeah?
All coins?
Yeah, as long as they're magnetic.
Yeah, as long as they're metal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But there you go. Even free money.
Penny, yeah. Wow.
There you go, a bit of jewellery.
Yeah. I bet it's more near the bridges, isn't it?
Always.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll always try and get it back to him first.
Yeah, I mean, you never know half of the time, do you?
No. Never know what half the stuff is that you pull up. Like, there we go. There's some more money for me.
Oh.
And that's off the fence top of security. Stuff up there. That'll probably be a part of a machine. I don't know what that is. Free money. And then whatever this is. Don't know, do you? It's a bit of piping.
Yeah,
A bit of knurling, yeah. Right, another thing to look at. And another sneaky penny. Oh man, what's this? Oh no, but it's stuck. Right, hang on. There is something at the bottom there. Right, get rid of all that. Screwdriver. Bit of metal. Bit more of that bar. Smeg. Sneaky penny. Sneaky penny. Unbelievable. Unbelievable morning. What is it? Bendy bit of metal that'll go in there. A bit of cast. Big piece of cast. And smeg. Now we got a belt. A belt there. We have a laptop charger port. Yeah. Trusty cheeky penny. Cheeky Budweiser. Cheeky bit of metal. And oh, cheeky 10p. And this, ladies and gents, is my cheeky last throw because I'm tired and I want a brew. Right, last chuck. Reveal yourself. What have we got? Just a bit of metal. Bit of barbed wire. Right, you beauts, so if you like what you see with the magnets, accessories, all you need to do is head over to www.magnetstore.co.uk, click on fishing magnets, and you've got a vast amount of magnets to choose from, professional kits or accessories, so pick which one you like, add to cart, go to the checkout, enter my code Patriot10, click apply coupon, and then what you'll see, you beauts, is you'll have a 10% discount knocked off your order. What an absolutely cracking hour or so. When you look at this, this is just stuff that I'm just going to show you, not everything. I'm not going to show you everything, all the other stuff, all the pipes and that are all in there. And the bendy pipe is there. And there's the cash box. Right. Let's start off with all these here. All these either iron slag or, look at that, magnetic rocks. So, like I said, they're either just a big piece of iron slag, that's a big piece of cast, all weigh quite heavy. So there might be stuff in them ready for soaking and breaking open. Right, at the back here we have the belt. There we go. Show you this cash box. Second throw this. And it's a BT one minus the top. They was in phone boxes. We got this piece of metal, don't know what it is, can't see any stamps on it. This key. We have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 pence of free money. This here, I ain't got a clue what it is. It does have some little bits of writing on it. I think that says 83.0. And it does have something written there. Can't really make it out, but I'll magnify that, put it in the corner here probably. To show you what that is. I think that says France. And then round here it's got some numbers. I will put it here, and then whatever that says there, some little close-ups of that. So I ain't got a clue what that is. It's springy anyway, if people can help me. We can't fit everything on, so I've had to move everything around. This is a topper for a security metal fence, and this is a AC DC adapter for a laptop. And this is cool. This is part of a sign for a bridge or a railway track. We don't know. There is a railway track close by. It's got a number 2 there, and then it's got the end of something and then an S. So I wonder what how big? That'd be about that big, won't it? With this side. Yeah, so hopefully we'll be able to find the other part of this. Excellent, love that. Wish it was full. Spoon. Phillips screwdriver. Bit of fishing apparatus. Woo! Budweiser top. One of the usual blanks that we get. Bit of a bike chain. And my two favourite, we're speaking to a gent, and this popped up, and that actually says H. Samuel and then quartz there. See if I can put a close up picture here. And it says stainless steel, Japan, back. I think it says MOVT, I'm not sure, on the back there. But there, H. Samuel's watch. And my favourite, and the first I've ever found one of these. Absolutely buzzing with this one. And this is flick knife or slash switchblade. And that bit's broken off when I got it home. That bit does that. I think that pushes that out to that. Look at that. I think that's something. I will put a close up of these engravings here, and basically that's a vintage French switchblade. I will put some details up of it. Look at that. This bit's plastic here, and obviously the main part of the knife. Yeah, absolutely buzzing with that. It's one of my best finds ever, that, and it's vintage, so that's a bonus. So I'm going to be hitting this spot around that area again quite shortly. So you're going to be coming on the journey. You're going to see how it is, and hopefully we'll find some more stuff like this. Scrap goes over that side, and scrap always gets collected from my house. Everything comes on with me. So take care everyone, we'll see you on the next treat hunt. Happy hunting.
Friday night, the streets are bright. Gotta lose alone, but I got you to hold. Cash in hand when we meet. Don't tell your family the name of the street. Golden necklace seems so reckless to be so young yet so involved in so. If you want, I can teach you how to love. I can hook you up with your favorite stuff. And if you want, I can teach you how to be. I can get you in your favorite clubs for free. Work with me, 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 work with me. Hold my hand, make a plan. Do we have to run or do we have to hide? Pose for pictures, maybe later. You'll be the only star in my eyes. Golden necklace seems so reckless to be so young yet so involved in so. If you want, I can teach you how to love. I can hook you up with your favorite stuff. And if you want, I can teach you how to be. I can get you in your favorite clubs for free. pretending that fate is patient. Go run away, get it out of your system. Come back when you're older. Go find a place where you can't be the victim.